Hi guys, I have the Game of Thrones Mystery Minis, Edition 3. And usually it says Series 3, but this says Edition 3. And by the way, this is from Funko. So I'll just get the packaging off and then show the box. So these are the figures that you can get, and there is a 1 in 12 chance of each. And they all look pretty cool. But this is not my favorite Mystery Mini series. There are definitely ones that I like a lot better. Like the Harry Potter one may be my favorite. So I can't really guess who it feels like because they're all like humans, but in some of them they're like different creatures, so you could kind of guess who you get. And after this video, be sure to check out my other blind box videos. I opened like 20 blind boxes already, at least. Oh, this guy is pretty cool. And he was actually one of the people I wanted the most. Slight imperfection on his head, but you can't see it.
Be sure to watch my other Funko Mystery Mini videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.